Hello, okay, we are back for the tutorial. So we are going to take the moves that we learned in the drill workout, and we are going to take those moves and show how to put them together. Now, what ends up happening is you don't have to do both sides of something. So when you have a side basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you don't have to do that full side to side basic. You can start chopping, and that's what you want to end up doing. So I can do one side basic and then something else like a Susie cue. All right, so that's what's going to end up happening today. All right, the moves we've already learned, chopping them all up and putting them together. All right, let's do it. All right, starting with our basic. You all know the basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, side basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, side and cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, Susie cue. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good one. Semicircle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, triple cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 3, core beats. 1, 3, 5, 7. Back. Nice. All right, that was our quick review. Let's put it together. One basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. 1, 2, 3. Susie cue. Susie cue. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie. Tempo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Side and cross. Susie. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie cue. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie cue. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Susie stop. Good. Half of a semicircle. Triple cross into a Susie cue, right? So you're going 1, 2, 3. Now to the back wall, triple cross. Left, right, left. Susie cue with the right. Susie cue. Try that again. Half a semicircle. Left, tap, right. Triple, left, right, left. Susie, right. Tempo. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Triple. 5, 6, 7. Susie. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Still facing the back. I want you to do another semicircle. Left, tap, right. Now you're facing me with your right foot in front. Now core beats starting on your left. Left, right, left, right. That whole thing. Semicircle facing me. Triples to the back, Susie cue. Semicircle, and then core beats coming towards me. Nice and slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, triples. 5, 6, 7. Susie cue with the right. 1, 2, 3, semicircle. Left, tap, right. Core beats. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again, slow. This is the trickiest part of this. Ready? And step, tap, step, triple, 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 triple. Susie cue. Susie cue. Semicircle. Step, tap, step, core beats. Left, right, left, right. Anytime you have to turn around and face another direction, it makes it more confusing. But you will get it. It's half a semicircle, triple step, Susie Q, half a semicircle, core beats. That's all we're doing, okay? Faster, 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, triple, 5, 6, Susie. 1, 2, 3, semi, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Good. Do that again. 1, 3, 5, let's go. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Susie. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, core. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Get sassy with those steps. Woo! Do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Susie. 1, 2, 3, semi. And 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Here we go. And a 1, 2. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. 1. From the top, slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. 1, 2, 3. Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. Half a semi. 1, 2, 3. Triples. 5, 6, 7. Susie Q. 1, 2, 3. Half a semi. 5, 6, 7. Core beats. 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's go. Get in your basic. When I say go, we start with the side and cross. You can do it. You ready? Nice and easy. Beginner, basic fundamentals. 1. The most important thing is you think about your body. Are you dancing on the balls of your feet? Are you keeping your steps under you? Are your core pulled in? Are you lifted? Are your arms up? Are you breathing? 1, 5, 6, and go. Side and cross. Susie Q. Semi, triple. Susie Q. Semi, and 1, 3. Basic. 1. And go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Give me some arms there. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Get right back into your basic. Woo! Check. Balls of the feet. Small steps. Belly button pulled in, chest lifted, arms up. Good. And let's go. Woo. Good. Make sure you're smiling. And go. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1. 1. 1. And go. Whoop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1. Good job. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Awesome, awesome job. Easy, piece of cake, right? It will build, it will get harder, but once you have a good foundation, it's going to be so much easier on you. And it's easier to stick to a small amount of steps, basics, so that you can think about your body. Because it's important that it's in the right place. It has the right form and the right technique. And it's awesome. So join me in the next video. We're just going to dance it to a really fun song. Just a couple times. And then next week, look for part 2 of your fundamental steps and of the combo. All right, see you in the next video.